Okay, so here's my beautiful wife, and we are at Knowles' house in Key West, about 3 blocks from Duval Street, where we just came from, Mallory Square. And we love this little place. Tiny little pool. The sweetest manager here is just the best. Love it here. Say something to me, hon. Yes. Say hi.
Welcome. Come on down.
Yeah.
Water's fine.
This water is as warm as the Gulf.
That's our amazing coast.
Yes.
We have not had a heater on since February. Water's warm. No
It's
heat.
beautiful. I know people come where we live near Clearwater Beach, so and the water temperature gets up to like 88 degrees in the summer, and people complain and say it's too warm. It's like, well, then go back to New Jersey.
Water's California. The water's always
Oh yeah, I know that. Okay, this is, you know, at the very beginning of our trip. We just arrived here to Key West today. Last night we were in Key Largo. Neither of us slept that well, but just before that we were in the Everglades. We went to Shark Valley and we took a tour through there. Fortunately, we didn't see that many gators. It's the rainy season, so the water's high and the gators can hide, and they did. So, but we did see a couple of babies and a mama, small mama. Yeah, so it's good to be in Key West. We just walked around Mallory Square, a little bit of Duval Street, went over to Harry Truman. They call it the White House over there, the Little White House. And then we walked back here, and I'll tell you, it is muggy. It is muggy.
Very hot.
Yes. So what do you think, hon, so far, your first time in Key West?
I like it. Could do with a couple of degrees cooler, but
Yeah,
it's very quaint. Love it. We'd love to come here, like maybe in a month's time, even when it's a bit cooler.
yeah,
But yeah, lots to
probably
see.
November.
Just any time away from with my hubby is a good time away.
Okay, should we go under?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.